Silicon-based batteries for rugged phones are here, with Doogee leading the charge and bringing huge batteries to rugged phones in relatively small sizes. The new addition to this silicon battery future is the newly announced Doogee S200 ULTRA and Doogee S200 Max, both featuring 11,000 mAh and 22,000 mAh batteries respectively. In today's video, I will be comparing the specifications of the two phones to see how they differ and which one is better. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and leave a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching the video.